How to make money for car wrap advertisement. This is another great opportunity for passive income or even extra income for Uber and Lyft drivers. Pay attention below, guys. Car wrapping is also full of scammers, so be very, very vigilant in online applying for these companies. I can't stress this enough. Be very careful, guys. Never ever pay up front for an entry fee. This is a sleeper. Craigslist is a large source of classifieds that seek drivers for car wraps. You probably won't find that in any online article source. But as with any transaction on that site, proceed with caution. Below are legit companies that pay you for wrap advertisement. Rapidfy is a great company to start with. They are honest up front, but one of the hardest ones to actually get on with. They don't claim you can make X amount every month and then you can actually take the opportunity and make a lot less than they claim. They do say you can make up to $500 a month with them, but that is the high end. You gotta get on your hustle, get on your grind. You can, however, make an extra few hundred with them, especially since they are becoming more popular with advertisers these days. Free Car Media is another great company that pays you to wrap your car and drive. According to their website, a rear window advertisement typically pays between $50 plus per month. If your entire vehicle is wrapped, you can get paid up to $400 per month. And I actually just signed up with them myself. Carver Ties, the most well-known car wrapping companies, and was established in 2012. Their website says, "We are an award-winning marketing firm that matches brands with high mileage car owners who want to drive with an ad decal on their car. Through this mutual beneficial relationship, brands use Carver Ties to get their message seen in certain geographic locations, while drivers join us to make money for something they already do." Car Wraps is a Canadian-based company. According to their website, carwraps.ca is all about vinyl wraps, complete color changes, commercial wraps, custom wraps, interior wraps, accents, paint protection film, and others. Pay Me for Driving. This one operates out of St. Louis, Missouri, so if you live near there, give them a try. All you do is fill out the form on their homepage and they will contact you. Carbucks is unique in that it offers 3, 6, and 12-month advertising plans. That's actually good. These advertisements will only go over your back window rather than wrap your whole car, your whole vehicle. Carbucks pays $1 for each hour driving, which can work up to $20 per month for a short-term contract, or $25 per month for a 12-month contract. You won't make a ton of money, but it certainly adds up over time. Also contact car wrapping companies in your area. Some of the usual requirements are: you have to be 18 years or older. You must have a clean driving record. You must have car insurance. You have to agree to keep the ad on your car for the entire duration of the contract. There may be a minimum mileage you have to drive each week or month. You have to either have a GPS or agree to install one provided by the company so they can keep track of your commutes. Please subscribe to Financier Pro YouTube channel and podcast, comment below, and let me know what you guys think, if you can add anything to the video. Thank you.